Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Akash Bacha, founder at Wealth Origin. Welcome to the post-market report. It's the 3rd December 2025 and we just saw another choppy day on Dalal Street. In this video, we are breaking down what happened today, the numbers, the big flows, who gained, who lost and what it could mean for you. Let's dive in. So today, the Nifty closed at 25,986, down by 46 points. Not a crash, but given how many stocks underperformed, it's clearly a sign of broad-based selling pressure. On NSE, out of Nifty 50 universe, only 12 stocks advanced while 38 declined. That tells you this wasn't just selective weakness. The mood was negative. And now, let's see the institutional flows. Foreign institutional investors were net sellers at 2,852 crores, while domestic institutional investors were net buyers at the tune of 4,128 crores. So, what this means? Domestic money is still flowing in, which can act as a cushion, but foreign money is flowing out. When FIIs exit and DIIs enter, expect a higher volatility because foreign flows tend to react more sharply to the global macro and currency moves. And now, what's driving the sentiment? Why the caution? A few things. Global uncertainty, a depreciating rupee and profit taking after recent highs have scared some investors. As reported, many sectors, especially small and mid caps, were under pressure. Even though IT stocks put up some resistance, overall sentiment was weak. Also, some analysts have upgraded certain blue chip IT names. So that's possibly supporting selective buying even in a weak market. Now, who gained and who lost? On the gainer list today, we saw names like TCS, ICICI Bank, Infosys, HDFC Bank. That suggests that investors are still favoring larger, relatively stable names, maybe as safe bets during volatility. Unfortunately, because so many stocks fell, the number of decliners was much larger, pointing to lack of confidence at large. Now, let's look at who performed well today. Some of the biggest gainers from the list were Idea, which was up by 4.34%, Biocon, which was up by 2.88%, and Samman Capital, Hind Zinc, Wipro, Ashok Leyland, all were up more than 1%. Big names like TCS, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Infosys, Axis Bank also closed in green. So, IT stocks and select private banks helped the market stay stable. On the losing side, there were serious pressure in PSU banks and mid caps. Indian Bank down by 5.52%, Angel One down by 5.48%, Hudco, PNB, Bank of Baroda, Bank of India all slipped 3 to 5%. Even strong performance like Dixon, Solar Industries, Max Healthcare corrected sharply. So, the correction was wider in the mid-cap and PSU banking space. So, what should you watch out for or what you should do? If you are an investor or trader, today is a reminder, don't get swayed by short-term bumps. It's a market influenced by institutional flows and broader sentiment. So, stick to quality blue chips and fundamentally strong companies may hold up better. For mid-cap or high-beta stocks, be cautious. Volatility could spike as foreign money flows fluctuate. Use tips if you believe in long-term fundamentals, but only after checking valuations. So, to conclude, markets were weak, foreigners sold, domestic institutions bought, but overall sentiment remains fragile. I would watch for next few sessions carefully before making any big bets. So that's all from me for today's post-market report. If you like this breakdown, hit like, subscribe and don't forget to ring the bell so you get notified when I post the next update. I'm Akash Bacha, founder at Wealth Origin and SEBI registered research analyst. See you tomorrow with another live market breakdown. Until then, trade safe, invest wise and keep learning. Thank you very much.